Incendio is a project by Chinyi Lee and John Michael LaSalle for the Spatial Analysis for Urban Environmental Planning class that is part of the Masters of Urban Spatial Analytics at the University of Pennsylvania. Incendio is a project to predict the risk of wildfire in Southern California and to provide a risk score and context for that risk score to inform potential homeowners and realtors of the relative risk of wildfire at different properties. Wildfires are a massive problem in California. In 2017, there were 10,800 buildings burnt, $13.2 billion of property damage, and 47 wildfire-related deaths, all in 2017. Right now, there are existing products that do wildfire risk prediction, but they're all enterprise solutions targeted for insurers that are not open to consumers. Incendio gives homebuyers and realtors fire risk predictions, leveling the playing field and helping them to make more informed real estate decisions. Incendio uses a desktop web application with an interactive map that visualizes risk and allows you to search by address or click on a location to get individualized reporting for that location. Every site has a risk score, a risk category of high, medium, or low, shows the distribution of risk in that county as well as the state as a whole, and the fire history for that location. You can export this report as a PDF or add it to a comparison table. The comparison table allows you to compare multiple locations, providing a risk score, risk category, the county average risk score, and the fire history. This comparison table is designed to allow real estate agents or home buyers to quickly go through all the properties they're interested in and narrow down to the ones that fit their risk tolerance. The mobile interface is designed to provide a simple presentation of all the information so that it's quickly accessible and digestible when you are on the go. And Incendio has an API and a widget so that it can be integrated with platforms like Trulia, Redfin, or Zillow that are already established sources of real estate information and can provide added value to their customers by integrating the risk predictions done by Incendio. So how do we predict wildfire risk? We took the 10 counties of Southern California as our study area, split it into a grid, and classified whether or not there were any fires there in the last 25 years. We chose 25 years because it gave us a large enough data set, and when you're making real estate decisions, you care about whether there be a fire during the time you own the property, not just if one happens in any given year. We used natural and built environment features to predict the wildfire risk based on research about the causes and behavior of fires, to predict against the locations of wildfires in the last 25 years. This produced a model that was able to accurately classify 93% of Southern California as to whether there was or was not a history of fire in that location. The model has been optimized to minimize the number of false negatives, where we predict that there would not be a fire, but one actually occurred. This is because false negatives are the costliest type of error, because they provide a false sense of security to somebody relying on the risk score. The high accuracy did not vary when testing our model on 100 different subsets of the data, showing that it is generalizable. However, the accuracy did vary when broken down by county, showing that the model is spatially biased. But even in San Luis Obispo, the county with the highest error, the model has an accuracy of over 80%. Thank you for your interest in Incendio.